Hello guys, welcome to another part of this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Now in the previous part 11, we saw how to use attract.io to create our free lead magnet. Now in this part 12 of this training tutorial series, I'm going to share with you how to create a highly converting welcome email using one of the best and free tools that is available out there, which is ChatGPT. Now, without further wasting time, let's get straight to the screen. So over here, I have come to ChatGPT. And if you remember, we are in the make money online niche, and we are going to write or craft an welcome email to our subscribers who are interested in making money online. So if you see the prompt that I have used for creating this welcome email, imagine you are an expert email marketer. Write for me a welcome email not more than 100 words, which includes a checklist link as a bonus for my subscribers who are about to join the exclusive insider club and interested in making money online. Be clear, concise, and compelling. So you can see includes a checklist link as a bonus. Now, in order to create this checklist link, in the previous video, I have shown you how to create a free lead magnet, and you can refer that video for that. Now, if you see the subject over here, welcome to the exclusive insider club, you can insert your name over here in between exclusive and insider so that it makes more personal and your free checklist awaits. So here, hi, the name of the subscriber. So if you remember, I have always emphasized on personalization. So it's better to use the first name. You have just taken a huge step by joining our exclusive insider club. Now you can mention your name again over here, which will make it more personal. And to kick things off, here is your free money making checklist. Now here you can change this money making checklist to email marketing using solo ads checklist. So something like that, which is relatable to your content. Okay. So, and then a quick guide to help you start generating income online. Now this is very concise and to the point to the subscriber. Now next para, you can see as a member, you will get access to insider tips, expert strategies, and a powerful tools that will accelerate your success. Now this is directly speaking to the subscriber. So what are the benefits that the subscriber is going to get, which will make them feel privileged? So that's about the para 2. And here, the para 3, which is the get ready to transform your online income potential. Here is your free money making checklist. So you should make this as a separate para so that it is a call to action. So since call to action has to be a separate line, some bonus tip over here, you can always use your right arrow or your left arrow before or after the call to action, and at the end, talk soon, your name, your company name. Now you can insert your name, and if you have a website, then you can insert your website link. Now just to show you how ChatGPT is creating a welcome email, you always need to use ChatGPT as a guide, guys. You have to always refine it, tweak it, and make it more personalized to your subscribers. Now there are 2 more features that you need to address in your welcome email. Number 1, you need to give your link to your social media account. Now, this might be like Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. So that's number 1. Number 2, you need to add a postscript after your email signature. Now, what do you need to add in postscript? Now, you can add something like, if you choose to whitelist your email address, then you will get an additional bonus. Now, this additional bonus must be something more valuable, not a PDF or a checklist kind of thing. It must be like a free training or a tutorial series like training or 4 to 5 videos that will really help the beginners on affiliate marketing. One additional thing that you can do here is you can always put out the steps needed to whitelist, because most of the beginners or the subscribers who are going to read your emails are not knowing the exact step what to do. So you need to put out like step 1, step 2, step 3 in your postscript of how to whitelist your email address. Or you can have a link over there where it can take them to a video recording of you explaining how to do the whitelisting of your email address. Now, this should be you, because that's when people will come to know who you are, and from there you can build your know, like, trust, which is very important when it comes to marketing, guys, or building an online business. So that's about the 2 additional tips that I've given you. And if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below. Let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.